You join me today in the retrim of this beautiful Ferrari Daytona. It's been restored to a beautiful standard and put back to its original colour green as it left the factory, and we're retrimming it not in the original interior colour, but the customer's gone for a 3104, a lovely beautiful Connolly leather which is an orange, and it will complement the green colour fantastically. I've learnt over the years all the nuances that make the plexiglass Daytonas different to the pop-ups, and one of them is this handbrake gate. It doesn't have a stitch line over the top. We copied the original one. This was the original leather that came out of this car, and the customers opted for this beautiful orange to really work with the green. You join me concluding the interior restoration of this beautiful Daytona. It's the second time we've trimmed this car. The first time we saved the original interior, nourished it, restitched it and foamed all the interior panels so it looked like a time warp interior. The new customer didn't like that kind of feel, and he wanted a new interior that no one sat in before. So we've done a beautiful orange hide that complements the green colour of the exterior wonderfully. And we've packaged up all the old interior, and that will sit in the guy's storeroom forever. Maybe one day a new video will show us putting it all back into this car. And that can be done. So please enjoy me inside, and I'll show you a few of the wonderful details. You join me in the finished cabin. I'm sure you'll agree that the colour combination looks wonderful. This orange leather is very strong and bold, and it's a great feel to be inside. The customer's preference was an open gear stick gate. We've made this housing in aluminium and trimmed it. Originally the right-hand drive cars had a boot on there. This customer's preference was an open gear gate. I'd like to highlight some of the parts in this Daytona cabin that we really manufacture, such as the C-post air vent rings. The luggage straps, we remanufacture the staples and the buckles that go on the belts. The Daytona door strips, the Daytona seat strips, all made in-house. You notice on this car, the plexiglass Daytonas had different hill mats to the pop-up headlights. We remanufacture both in-house. Please check out our website or get in touch. The interior in this cabin really works beautifully, and we're very proud to have our names on it. Hope you've enjoyed watching the video of me and the team and the restoration of this interior. Thank you for liking and subscribing and all your lovely comments. Please keep them coming, and I look forward to seeing you next video.